Hello everyone, I'm Amir Nurbakhsh.
I'm Artem Solove.
And I'm Adonai Garcia, and we are the Soterians.
Have you ever asked yourself what you would do in case of a major emergency? Do you know where to go to protect yourself and your family from an earthquake? Do you know where you are safest from the infrastructure in your city? Is your emergency kit ready to go? What about if a war takes place? We all know that's a reality for millions right now, and my family and friends are there right now asking some of these exact same questions, wishing they knew the safest place to go, how to locate their family and friends. Do you know when to stay indoors and when to go outside? If you hesitated to answer any of these questions, then don't worry. This is why we decided to build Soteria.
Imagine having an application that can help you and your loved ones survive major emergency events. Nobody is fully prepared for an emergency, but with the right information and the technology we use every day, you can have fewer things to worry about. Soteria's mission is to give everyone access to reliable and real-time information in the event of a major emergency using geographical information system. Safety of the people and their information is at utmost concern, so we will be going through rigorous filters when delivering or interpreting information.
Soteria will work with official emergency services to receive and update information, including the distribution of this app. You can keep track of your loved ones, see important posts on social media around you, get view access to the cameras of the city, get information from other users, and help others by reporting important events and misinformation. See the products and services available around you and get safe to the places you want to go. And that's not all. This app will show you everything you need to make the best decisions during an emergency. Let's take a look at it.
Official Guide to Prepare for Major Emergencies. Emergency guides are everywhere on the website. With Soteria, you will have access to the local and national guides in case of emergencies, with relevant information on the things you are recommended to do before, during, and after any major emergency. This information is always available in the app with just one click on the Recommendations button. Real-time location of relatives and friends. In case of emergencies, it is good to know where your loved ones are at all times without necessarily talking to them. The Soteria app connects you to the people you care about. Before you can see your family and friends' live location, you need to send a request to add them using the Add Member for sharing location and clicking Add Another Member. This will send you to an ArcGIS Survey 123 registration form. You will need your ArcGIS username and the information of the member you want to add. Name, last name, phone number, and email. Once you're done, submit the form and you can add another member or close the window. This information will be received by Soteria team and it will be reviewed. The members you want to share your location with will get an ArcGIS account with a temporary password through their email. They need to download the ArcGIS Workforce app on their phones to log in. They need to select the map that was created for them. In the to-do list, they need to select the option available and click Start. They can share a picture, video, or voice note whenever they want. After starting the live location, click on the sync option and then sync now. In the app, you will see their location and they will see yours. You can update your status by clicking on the status button and selecting Working for showing that you are online, On Break for showing that you paused, and Not Working for connection problems. We recommend you keep the online status at all times when an emergency is taking place. This information will be shown in the Soteria app. If you want to stop sharing your location, click on the to-do list live location and select Finished. Geolocated tweets. Information is very important in case of emergencies, and social media can help a lot, but it can help you more if you can see the posts around you and the emergency area. Remember to always confirm any information with the official accounts and news first. The Soteria app uses a Twitter API to find the tweets around you. If you want to go to a place, make sure you read the tweets around the place to know what's going on and see if it's safe to go there. You will be able to see the tweet, and if you want to go to that account, click on More Info. That will take you out of the app and send you to the Twitter app. You can also access the official Twitter account of your local government by clicking on the Official Information button to see more recent updates about the emergency. Dynamic Street View cameras. In case of emergencies, you want to know what's happening around you and the whole area. Street cameras are spread over the cities and you can have access to them in many different ways. The Soteria app will connect you to the windy webcams, which show the latest images of the webcam selected. All you have to do is click on the camera you want to see, click on More Info, and you will be redirected to the windy website. You can play the video and see the nearest cameras to that one selected that are available. Crowdsource information and threats. Information is everywhere nowadays, and the Soteria app is not the exception. You will be able to see information posted by other users of the app regarding the situation. In case of emergencies, products and services can be affected, and most of the time you can't find updated information about their availability. For example, grocery stores, pharmacies, and gas stations. It is important to know if they have their products and services available before taking the risk of going out. Users of Soteria can inform others about the availability or not of a product and service, or general information on points of interest. If you want to add a report, go to the Report an Event button and click Report an Event. You will be sent to the ArcGIS Survey 123 form. Click on the map. The map will automatically show your location. You can keep the point in this location or move it to the point of interest. You can also find an address or a place using the search bar. Once you selected the exact point, select the date and time. Select the event type, available products or services or not, or general information. You can leave a comment if you want, so other users will have more information about their point reported. Once you're done, submit the form. You can add another report or close the window. You can also add threats so you keep other users away from them. Click on the Threat button. Select Draw Mode. Enter a point, a line, or an area. Select the threat type. They can go from car accidents to explosions, fires, and even shootings. They have predefined distances and descriptions. Once you selected all the options, click or draw on the map. Once you confirm the location, click on Create Zones and then click Publish. Your feature will be shown automatically and will affect other users' routing decisions, so use this feature with responsibility. Others will be able to recommend deleting this threat if they consider it fake or misinformative. Reporting misinformation. Misinformation is a part of everyday life, but it is crucial in case of emergencies. If you noticed fake information or information that has to be updated, you can report it. Click on the Report Misinformation button. You can select an element or draw an area on the layers available. If you want to report a threat that is fake or in the wrong place, select the Threats layer. Click on the threat on the map and fill in the details from what will show up. You will need to specify the review status. Either you want to add another feature, delete one, move it, or reshape it. You can add some notes of the reasons and select the severity of this change you want to make, 5 being the most severe one. The layer won't update automatically. The Soteria team will receive the report and confirm the information with the official authorities to update the feature. In that way, we keep misinformation away and the user safe. Reliable routing. Get the directions from one point to another. You can select the point that you want to go to and the one you want to start from, or you can select the points on the map. You will see the directions in real time that it will take you to get to your destination and the distance. You can add another point, select the different modes available, change the units, return to the origin after the trip, and select the date and time you want to leave. You can also save the directions to your account or print them and add some notes. Remember to click Get Directions to update the route and click Clear to start a new trip. If you want to start a trip and there is a reported threat along the route, the app will automatically select another route to avoid the threat and take you to the destination safe and sound. Traffic is an important aspect of our lives, but it is more important in case of emergencies. Soteria app uses the World Traffic Service Map by ArcGIS to show the locations of accidents, construction, closures, and other issues that could potentially impact the flow of traffic. This information will provide context for routing, navigation, and field operations. This information is updated every 5 minutes and it's from reliable sources. Not all of them are critical to changing your route, so before you start your trip, make sure you identify these incidents in your route. The architecture behind the Soteria app. The datasets that have been used in this project can be divided into the static dataset and the dynamic dataset. The input layers are shared as a hosted feature layer in the ArcGIS Online. For the feature layer, one view can be created to visualize the data on the web app. ArcGIS Survey 123 is being used to collect family member information. The ArcGIS Workforce application is being used to track the user's location, and it can be shown on the web application. The static dataset contains all the layers that are shown on the map except the Twitter data and the Street View camera. The static layers can be sanitized in the ArcGIS Pro and have been shared into ArcGIS Online as the hosted feature layer. Street Camera View and Twitter API are the dynamic datasets. The connection between the Twitter API and the web application is made by using our customized virtual private server, VPS, Node.js, and Express. The response of Twitter is in JSON format. The VPS converts it to the GeoJSON format. The response of the VPS goes to the ArcGIS Online. In ArcGIS Online, a hosted feature layer is created from the URL. The feature layer will be updated using the Python code in every required time interval.
Soteria is the Greek god of safety and salvation, deliverance and preservation from harm. With this app, you'll feel Soteria is with you all the time.
This app is available right now for you, your family, and your friends. Don't wait until the next emergency to act. Do it now and be ready for those emergency events.
We hope you never use our app, but think about it. You will need it.